Hello, Paul again here from E&D Automotive, Canberra, Sydney. I'm just going to show you guys what we found. We finished putting everything back together on this car here. The oil filter housing and the intake manifold clean, all the carbon from the actual intake valves out. And we're just taking the carb in here so we can actually use the degreaser to clean it properly underneath. Here, just trying to clean everything back together. So while we're cleaning the car, something fell off, and this bolt here, this is what we found. This fell off from down here somewhere, and we found that the actual that is this one here. It's been broken off from the sump, the lower sump, so you can see here, right there, it's been broken off. Now we're going to attempt to actually move it back with actually using a pick. So yep, moving. So lucky the actual bolt is moving back, so now we're going to take it out. So it did broke inside there, but we're using that just to take the actual, it's one of those aluminium plastic bolts. I don't know why they don't use a stronger one, but this is like, this bolt here feels like plastic. All the new cars use this, Porsche use this as well, not just BMW, Volkswagen, Mercedes. It's to save weight. I'm not sure what they call it, but it's called aluminium, ALU bolt, aluminium bolt. So now we're going to take it out and get a new bolt from BMW and put it back in. And luckily the one that was broken was the one that we can get to. If that was broken from the one down the back here, then all this has to come out. Really lucky. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.